So, good morning, everyone. I am Dr. DBK Kamesh, HOD, Department of CSIT. So, today I am talking about HTML list. So, the continuation of yesterday's topic. Today we are using list in HTML. So, that is the topic. Then, in this, so first overview of list and what are the list items types just we can give. So unordered list, ordered list and definition list. There are three types of list which is available in HTML. One is unordered, so there is no order here. So second one is ordered, means 1 2 3 like this. So that is first one is there is no order in this. Next last one is definition, some defined. So if this is called as third one is definition. So unordered list, ordered list and definition list. So there are three varieties which is available in types of list. Then in this first one, unordered list, that is called, we are significancy that the notation is called as UL, right? Unordered U and then L means L. So unordered list, that is called UL. In this, you want to create a list which each item in the list begins with a bullet symbol called disk. So like this is a symbol which is used as disk. Right. Each entry is an LI, that is called as list item. Okay. That is called LI, that is list item element. Most web browsers render these elements with a line break and a bullet symbol at the beginning of the line. For example, if you want to write in, for example, a bullet points like use, so then apple, so like banana, like so pineapple, like etc. So then this is like using as in a bullet manner. That is what we are using in the disk manner. Sometimes maybe a star model like this one. So we are using, so based on this operation, like that is called a disk. So create a list which each item in the list begins with that bullet symbol, that is called disk. So each entry, so we are using, that is called as like here LI. So here LI like means list item. Most web browser render these elements with line break and bullet symbol at the beginning of the line. That is what in this unordered list. So as you said yesterday, so then while using a HTML page, the first need to write in the first line is document type HTML. So then begin HTML begin. So then in the HTML tag, HTML tag and the end tag, in between there are two types. So there are two halves. One half is a title page, that is called header section. Second one is body section. This is body section. So in the header section we need to write, so your title or etc. we need to use in this. But in the body section, so we have how to create UL. Right, so this is first one is this tag is called as UL followed by /UL. Right, in between you want to write, so whatever the content, in the content is, here we are using the coffee, tea, milk. So how to write? So I want to do like a coffee, right, coffee, like a tea, milk, like this I want. This is the display on your screen. So then how to write? So then we need to write here, first one is LI, means first one, right? So then as you said, this is the default symbol, that is called a disk, the coffee. Then next, this is first one completed, second one tea, third one is milk. So end with every tag starts and end with, so /LI. This is called list items, list item. You want to give n number of items in this, like milk, coffee, boost or etc. whatever. So you need to write all these things like LI followed by closing tag of LI. So this is called as list. First one, first type is unordered list. Right. In this, the second, another one. So how to write? So using here, there are varieties of symbols which we can given, right? Like first one is the style. So how to give your style of this one? UL style is equals to list styled type colon circle, means this is called as circle you want to give. So you can give disk, you can give. So different varieties. First one circle, second one it is, third one is square. Like this is the symbol, right? So you can give whatever your requirement based on your client needs. So based on that, so sometimes maybe a tick mark, right? Sometimes maybe a tick mark, like sometimes maybe a tick mark like this. So you need to give in this lifestyle type circle followed by like this one, this symbol, disk symbol, square symbol. So whatever you required, so based on you need to write give. So first in this circle, so right in this circle you can give, then in the circle symbol, then coffee first, then second one is tea, third one is milk, right? So here this UL is completed. This is indicates like this. Second one, so UL style is equals to list style type disk. So this is circle, some same this one disk. So then first here the coffee, same, but the symbol is changed, milk, like this. So this is the circle, this is disk, right? So then somewhat change is the first one and the second one. In the third one, the same. So we can use square symbol, square, like coffee, next tea, next milk. So see different style. This style is circle style, this style is disk style, and this style is a square style. So how to write? So we need to write UL style is equals to list style type circle. So inside you need to write so LI coffee, tea, milk, and then closing closing tag of UL. So this is the first one completed. So again you want to write second one. So the same content. So using different style, that the lifestyle is disk style. Same using. So UL start, end bracket of UL angle bracket. So again third one is square model, right? There are 3 models given in the same document. So if you want to write more number of styles, you need to write. So this is the syntax of usually. So then UL style is equals to that inside the list style colon, then followed by you need to give whatever, then closing bracket. So once you can write whatever the content LI followed by your content close LI. So like how many LIs you required, you can give, that is last LI, then followed by so LI, then finally this is UL. So this is the using as in the web browser. So first one, second one, third one, different notations which I have given is given model. Then next, so unordered HTML list, choose list time marker that the CSS lifestyle type property is used to define the style list marker like value. So value description, this means set the list of marker in the bullet default. Circle, so once you can give or without given you are using as a disk, so which is the default one. Second one is a circle, square, none, etc. So different varieties of so properties which is available using in the choose of list marker. So disk, circle, square, none. These are the list varieties of unordered list HTML using it as a program. Next, then we can use like for example we have given the H2, like H2 means heading 2. So unordered list with the disk bullet like H2, then use a closing bracket of H2. So once you can open any angle bracket, so consequently so the closing bracket also required. So then inside the body we have written So in the top you can header part, then that is if you require you can write down the header part. In the body part only we have given only one type of that is the list type is disk. Right, in this again same disk like coffee, then tea, then so milk. Only we have given in the displayed your web page. So first one is coffee, second one is tea, third one is milk. Right. So as you said, that syntax is UL style is equals to list style type colon followed by your type of a style, then followed by your list items, then followed by closing tag of your UL. So these are the very important. After that your body tag close, your HTML tag will be closing. So then we have, this is the displayed item displayed on your screen. Right. So then here this is a one point of a program. Then the second type is ordered list. OL, previous one UL, unordered list, now is ordered. So 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So each create a list which each item begins with a number. Right, each item begin with number 1, 2, 3 like this. Right, and so on. How many list items you want to get presented? So that 1, 2, 3. So here that previous one is UL, now is ordered list means OL is the tag. So closing OL is also represented inside same LI. So closing of LIs. So first line LI close. So LI start your content followed by closing LI. Second one, so LI start your content followed by closing LI. Third one, so same. Fourth one up to n number of list items you want to give present in the OL. So all are in 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n items will be displayed on your screen like this. Right. So then, so why it is you are not given in this, but you are using as serial number 1, 2, 3, which is automatically default number which is placed. First one is 1, second one is second, third, fourth up to till n items. This is called as ordered list. Ordered list will give you the list which each item begins with a number. Right. Next one. Ordered HTML list, the type of attribute, like there are first one. If you can use 1, 2, 3 or serial number, so we can use, that is called list items will be numbered, that is called default one. So whether you have to mention or not mention, so which is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to till starting to till ending how many items you want to place. So number wise will showing. Sometimes you require the list items will be, so starting with the capital A. Then how to write a type is equals to capital A. The list items will be numbered with uppercase letter capital A, capital B, capital C and so on the last number. Right. So which is starting is A because you have given the type is capital A type. Then sometimes maybe we required based on the requirement of this one. So small a. Right. Capital A followed by small a. The list items will be numbered with lowercase letters. Right. So A, B, C and so on. Then for sometimes maybe, so your uppercase Roman number. Right. Type is equals to capital I. So capital I. Right. Then 2 Roman series 3. So 4, 5, etc. How many items list items you can give? So based on the Roman series. Then this is small letters. This is upper cases. Then this is number by default. Right. Whether you have to mention or not mention, this is the default one. Then for example, so you are using uppercase Roman letter. So lowercase Roman letter. I means 2, 3, 4, so 5 like this. These are lower cases Roman series. These are uppercase Roman series. So these are the type followed by whatever you have mentioned. Based on your mention, that automatically reflect your document. So these are the So the type of attributes, one is default one, capital A, small a, so or Roman 1, Roman lowercase 1, right? These are the list items attribute. Then, so how to write? Then using some example, OL type is equals to capital A. So we have set capital A now. So capital A, coffee, capital B followed by tea, capital C followed by water, capital D followed by juice, capital E followed by beer. Right? So why it is like this? You have mentioned the type called capital A. So that coffee, tea, water, juice, beer. These are the list items. Then we can set before capital A, capital B, capital C, because ordered list will give you the same sequence will be following until your last item is displayed on your screen. So that then, because here OL completed means ordered list. These are the ordered list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 we have given. But so instead of 1, 2, 3, we have given capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, capital E, capital F. Then, so then same content, so we are using in the Roman lowercase. So then same I. So then first one coffee, Roman, then lowercase t, Roman 3 followed by milk. So then followed by water, then followed by juice. But these are all are lowercase. So beer, right? So then in this list of items, same list of content, but style means a type is changed. This is Roman lowercase. This is uppercase letters, right? This is different. This is different. Okay. So these are the examples. Whatever you have given. So here the type. For example, capital Roman letters, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will be displayed, right? Then so then you can give default one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the default one. Okay. Then next. So the last one is description list. So here, which is also supports your description list in HTML5. So in the list, a list of items with the description of each term, right? So that is called DL. The tag called as DL tag is description list. Previous unordered list UL, ordered means OL. Now DL, right? In this DL tag define description list. Then inside the DL, DT, that is tag defines the term, that is called name, DT. Then next another one is DD, described each term, right? DT, DD, like DL. DL is your description. So inside your DT means DT is the term name, coffee, right? So in the DD means that is subtag. So the tag defines the term name, the tag description. So this is a coffee, is a black hot drink. So milk, so white cold drink, right? So this is the first one is your tag term name. Second one is your description of your whatever the content. So whatever this coffee content, the description is black hot drink, milk, so white cold drink. So this is called as, so we have given DT and DD. So DT followed by the description means tag describes. So even in the description list will give you first one is outer part, DL starts and end tag is DL, description list. Inside, so you need to write DT means description term. So we can write content and followed by DT, then followed by, so you need to write DD. This is called as whatever the content you have given, that description you need to give in this. That is called, so once we can use any content like your caption, that caption you need to write it like this. Then that is called as description. So then followed by TT. Then so DD. data description, right? So then followed by your how many items you required, those items you need to write. Then followed by last one is you can give the slash DL, means so your end of this one, whatever the content you have given, that will be displayed on your screen. Then okay, then followed by different types of list. So yes, so far we have learned. So first one is there are different types of list. One is UL, OL and DL. So these are the three varieties of list we have been learned. So then followed by, so what is UL? So what kind of examples, how to give the your unordered list? Then we have given there are three types we have given in the document. So one is this is the default one, square, then followed by circle or none, etc. So these are the followed by example. This description is this UL tag is UL followed by, so then you can give in this. So in the entire the description means inside the data, so we need to write LI followed by your data closing LI. Like how many list items you required, you can give in the varieties of list items. This is called unordered. So there is no ordered. Like we have given like either disk order or square or circle, so or none, whatever it is. So you represent those will be displayed on your screen. Next one is ordered one. First one is unordered. Second one is ordered. Neither 1, 2, 3, right? Either 1, 2, 3, either 1, 2, 3 or whatever Roman series, Roman 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean capital Roman 1, 2, 3, 4 or small Roman 1, 2, 3 or etc. Or otherwise by default 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? These will be using in this. Then how to use this is previous one is UL, now is OL followed by, so your slash OL. Then this is inside we can write again same list of items. Whatever the list you can give, that is list of items. All the list of items will give. So but this is ordered one. So we can inside we can write down type is equals to, you can send OL, type is equals to, you can set here. Here you can style, you can set, you can type of that circular, etc. You can write in this one. Then the last one is you need to give the caption, means your title followed by caption. Like so, then how to write? So we can use in the DL tag inside the TL. So closing DL inside DT description term. So then you can write your term, right, followed by so your DD. Then whatever the term you have given, that description you need to write in this. So DT followed by DD. So finally, how many items you required completed, then you can close tag of your DL. So this is the entire. So we have so far we learned all the varieties of types and then unordered, ordered and description tags. This is the for today's topic. Thank you everyone.